I always wish you'd disappeared.
So that's who you really are. Fine, you'll pay for this.
Huh?
What is this place?
What? How did you get in here?
Huh? Oh!
Where is this place?
Another maid pretending to be lost.
Okay, but why are you dressed like a prince in a TV drama?
Take her out. I have no patience for this.
Let's go, Avelina.
Wait, do you have a phone I can borrow?
Avelina, you should consider yourself lucky the prince didn't punish you.
Who's Avelina? My name is Selena. Wait, he's the real prince?
Eh?
Where is this place? Am I seriously in another world? So heavy. I've never worked a day in my life. Why am I the one suffering like this and not them? I have to find a way back home.
Congratulations, Your Highness and Lady Victoria.
Thank you for your kind wishes. Your Highness, please excuse me for a moment.
This is boring. Huh. That maid again? What is she up to?
Alright, bathtub, please work. I really don't want to wash dishes for the rest of my life.
Planning to break into my bath again? Go ahead, I'm curious to hear your excuse this time.
Please, Your Highness, I dropped something last time. I was just trying to get it back.
Interesting excuse. Fine, I will allow it, if you do something for me.